This is the interior, starting with the garage. We got spray paint. We had some big ass spiders, but we killed them. Holes in this out here, those could be patched. Some more spray paint. Not a good sign. Spray paint on the inside, spray paint on the outside. Other than that, everything looks alright. Well, there's trash everywhere, so we can get all that out, obviously. Everything looks okay in here, except for this. This doesn't look okay. I'll have to fix that. Oh. Alright, here we go. Doors all messed up, but otherwise in good condition. We could clean it off or slap some paint on it. Washer and dryer connections, everything needs to be cleaned out. Oh, this door, needs to be completely replaced. There's absolutely nothing in it. Look. Oh my God. What the fuck is that? Oh. There's obviously no water. Okay, so toilet issue. There's no water, so I can't. This needs a towel rack. We could get those cheaply. This whole bathroom needs to be painted. Other than that, the bathtub looks good. Maybe get rid of all that stuff over there. Just clean it out. Painted. Shower head. Doors could use a painting or whatever. It needs to be tightened up. Okay, here's the bedroom. Got writing on the wall. We got some chips in the wall. Need some new blinds. All the outlets look good. Closet door needs to be fixed. That's a Section 8 issue right there. This needs to be replaced, obviously. That's a Section 8 issue. The whole room could use a painting. It's a baby blue. I don't know if you can really see the wall color. Okay, those don't even work. Spider webs fucking everywhere. No way. Serious? There are big spiders everywhere. There's some kind of water leak, possibly. Don't know if that's contained, but that's in the closet in the bedroom downstairs. Well, there's only probably one floor. I don't know. We'll see here in a second. Water spots, water spots. Trash, closet doors. So this is room number 1. Needs a painting. At least has the overhead light. Needs an outlet fixed. Oh. And this. That hole, I could patch that. I'll probably just end up taking out a whole section, but we'll patch that up. Alright, so we're out. This is the hallway from the garage. Fire alarm's missing. You need that for Section 8 inspection. To pass for Section 8. Door. All this stuff on the wall definitely needs a painting. That needs a new grill. We can get that. No problem. That needs a cleaning, obviously. Good Lord, look at the floor. Oh man, I don't even want to open that refrigerator. It looks like a nice refrigerator, but let's find out. the
What
fuck?
the fuck? I'm proud of you. I gotta go. I'm going to
Oh my God. What the hell is that? What? All right. Oh my gosh. I would just replace the refrigerator because having it cleaned, decontaminated, I just don't know about all that. Well, that's your refrigerator. Hey, they left some trash bags. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh. This could be a really nice home, and it just was destroyed. The cabinets look good, though, so that's good. I mean, the kitchen looks, like a kitchen. It could use a coat of paint, but it's not that bad. It's some kind of, I don't know what color that is. Peach. A little bit of damage. Look at the door. Door needs sanded and painted, possibly. All that needs to be cleaned out. It's gonna need new blinds, new blinds, new blinds, new blinds.